Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know that it's the time to be the for local. So I decided to bring a brand that is originated from India. And when we talk about India, the first thing that comes to our mind is Ayurveda. So there is a brand which is purely Ayurvedic and uses all the Ayurvedic ingredients in their products. So the brand needs no introduction, it is Biotique. So I have been using a wide range of products from Biotique, from my morning care routine to my evening to my night care routine, everything. At least one of the Biotique product is included in every routine, but it was very difficult to cover them all in single video, so I have decided to make a couple of videos which will be separated, like something that is included in morning care, then an evening care and a night care. So today I will be including some of the products that I have been using in the morning. So without further ado, let's start the video. So to start with, I have this travel kit from Biotique. Its packaging needs no introduction. It is the same white bottle with the green cap. इसमें से मैंने सारे products use किए once or twice, but this one I have used it in whole lockdown period. So this is refreshing foaming face cleanser. As you can see, the bottle is empty. I have used it all. So this was really nice experience to use this. It is very mild and calming face cleanser. As they declare in their bottle, everywhere there is written Ayurvedic recipe, and they also declare that it is not a cosmetic product and it has therapeutic properties. So it is written in every bottle, every single bottle of this brand. Contains, as the bottle reads, this contains ban haldi, rhizome, neem bark, rita, fruit pulp, ananas, fruit, madhu and purified water. So there is no chemical included in this product. And as you all know that ban haldi reduces dark circles and very helpful for removing the dark spots on the skin. पुराने या हमारी जो भी sort of DIYs होते हैं उसमें हल्दी का हम use करते हैं, so it is very useful and it has antibacterial properties as well. The second thing is honey. It has healing properties and it has vitamin B and vitamin C as well. So this was a really calming face wash and I have used it very much, and I am definitely planning to repurchase this product. And the second one that I have used is Morning Nectar. This is flawless skin. I have also used bigger bottle from this, which is emptied, and earlier I don't used to do the YouTube thing, so I don't have the bottle, but I have used this as well. This has gaming seed, that is wheat germ. As you all know, the wheat germ is very effective ingredient to be used. And this is Kumari leaf pulp, madhu, badam seed oil, mungfali, kusum oil and purified water. So this is also a nice Biotique product that can be used on daily basis. And this contains actually Biotique nectar. They say morning nectar. Nectar basically means the honey that flowering plants produces. It makes your skin flawless, so it contains that. It also contains aloe vera. It reduces the signs of aging. And this is methi that removes dryness, so it has all the which really hydrates your skin and makes your skin soft and supple and flawless. The second product that I've been using since very long time is this Bio Cucumber toner. This is pore tightening. This is pore tightening toner with Himalayan water. This is for normal to oily skin, and I have been using this. As you can see, this is I think my second or third bottle, and I have used a lot from it as well. इसकी आपको बहुत थोड़ी सी क्वांटिटी लेनी होती है on a cotton, and I have also used it as makeup remover. और आफ्टर वॉशिंग फेस, आप फेस वॉश करने के बाद भी कॉटन से एक बार वाइप करेंगे विद दिस टोनर, you will see the dirt coming out of your face and it actually cleans out your skin very well. देखिए, आप अगर कोई भी मॉइस्चराइजर या कोई भी स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट यूज करें, अगर आपकी स्किन एक्चुअल में क्लीन नहीं है देन इट विल नॉट गिव दैट इफेक्ट. लेकिन अगर आप अच्छे से प्रॉपरली क्लीन कर लेते हैं स्किन को और उसके बाद कोई प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं, इट विल गिव द इफेक्ट्स. तो ये बायो क्यूकम्बर जो टोनर है, आई थिंक इट क्लीन्स आउट योर स्किन वेरी प्रॉपरली एंड दिस इज पोर टाइटनिंग. तो जिसको ओपन पोर्स की प्रॉब्लम है या जिसको पिंपल्स की प्रॉब्लम है, दिस इज वेरी वेरी नाइस. ऑल्दो थोड़ा सा टिंगलिंग इफेक्ट होता है इसको यूज करने के बाद, तो थोड़ी क्वांटिटी में इसको यूज करना होता है एंड दिस इज वेरी इफेक्टिव. सो इसमें है क्यूकम्बर वो है, सो दिस गिव्स a refreshing cooling effect on your skin. Cucumber also reduces the puffiness and the tiredness. So I suggest you कि आप इसको रात में यूज करें. This toner is really effective. So the next product that I have been using is in the morning is brightening cream. This contains coconut. Coconut actually moisturizes your skin very well, and it has the fatty acids that penetrates into your skin and give them a good the hydrating feeling inside your skin. And it also contains manjistha. Manjistha is actually a perennial climber. It is very helpful in detoxifying your skin. It cleanses your blood and your limbs, जो detoxify करता है और आपके फेस पे एक अलग ही ग्लो आता है. So I've been using this from a lot. This tub contains this white cream, and although ये थोड़ा सा थिक है, so ऑयली स्किन वालों के लिए ये थोड़ा कम अमाउंट में जाएगा, बट ड्राई स्किन वालों के लिए दिस इज वेरी इफेक्टिव. थोड़ा सा अमाउंट ऑफ क्रीम एंड इट विल जस्ट नरिश योर स्किन फ्रॉम डीप इनसाइड. So I liked it very much. And if you are searching for cream that is, अगर आप like combination, I am a combination skin. If you are also a combination skin, you can definitely go for this one. और अगर आप dry skin हैं, then guys you will love it. And this is very hydrating and really nice cream. You can also use it under your makeup, and this is really nice and hydrating and nourishing cream. And also brightens your skin. Brightening and lightening is like secondary options, but primary is it should any cream, any product, it should hydrate your skin. And I think this is really nice and it actually nourishes your skin. So guys, ये प्रोडक्ट है जिनको मैं अपने मॉर्निंग रूटीन में इंक्लूड करती हूँ. एंड आई बी मेकिंग फर्दर मोर कपल ऑफ वीडियोज जिसमें मैं बायोटी के प्रोडक्ट्स इंक्लूड करूंगी, जिसमें मैं अपनी इवनिंग केयर में आफ्टर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम ऑफिस में कौन से प्रोडक्ट यूज करती हूँ, एंड नाइट केयर रूटीन में मैं कौन से प्रोडक्ट यूज करती हूँ. आई बी शेयरिंग इट विथ यू ऑल. और इन वीडियोज में ऐसे कुछ प्रोडक्ट होंगे जो बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्टिव है, वेदर यू आर ड्राई स्किन, यू आर कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन और you are oily skin. So guys, stay tuned for further more videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is METMegha. Please leave a comment below if you want me to review some other priority product from some other brands. And please like the video, share as much as possible, and thank you for watching.